As a warm-up, there is another equations of straight line example that they tell you to find an equation of straight line with this y-intercept and also the corresponding slope. So if we roughly draw the situation, y-intercept, that means cross y-axis at -11, which is below the origin. There is a line passed through this point, and also we have the second criteria to lock the position is the slope is 5, which means that whenever this point go right by 1, then another point will go up by 5 to reach another point. If we plus 1 go right again by 1, then we'll go up again by 5. So this gives you a straight line, upward sloping. And then what we want is we want to use an equation to present all the xy combination on this line. That means if we have a general point which is called xy, we want to write down a constraint so that xy will form a straight line with this point with this same slope. If you still remember the slope-intercept form, you may directly write down the answer. Y is equal to slope times x plus the y coordinate. Y-intercept, so y equal to mx plus c. In this case, you can directly write down 5x plus -11. So y is 5x minus 11. Every point, every xy combination fulfill this requirement will form a dots here, and all the dots will connect it to a straight line here. But if you use the general method, don't forget whenever we finding equation of straight line. A straight line, that means it is not a curve. Every section we have the same slope. So that's why we start from the constraint slope is equal to slope. The left hand side, the slope is in terms of xy. In terms of our moving point, xy. And then another slope is just simply given by the question constraint. So that's why if we use these 2 points, we have the first point, we confirm that it's passed through 0, -11. Because they say that the y-intercept is -11. Then we use this point together with this point to compare. We have y minus another y coordinate, -11, divided by the x difference, x minus another coordinate, which is 0. And the slope right hand side, it is given. They just simply say that it's 5. So we have the equation of straight line. Then the second step is just to tidy up this equation. So y plus 11 is equal to 5 times x. Y is equal to 5x minus 11. For roughly drawing a very quick understanding of the straight line, I would strongly suggest you every time to change it to slope-intercept form. It tells you that it's passed through the y-intercept, -11, and then go up with slope 5.